We're tracking more cloud cover as we get into our Wednesday. Again, that area of low pressure that brought us those storm chances yesterday, it's not too far away from us. It's up around Iowa, so we're still looking at some of that lingering cloud cover as we head out the door this morning, and likely as we get into this afternoon as well, especially for most of us. And that'll hold our highs back into the 50s as we get into this afternoon, and that's about where we'll stay as we get into this evening. So again, it's not like a real big cool down, but it is going to be keeping us from getting back into the 60s. Looking at some of these wind gusts getting up around 25 miles an hour this morning. That'll start to dwindle as we go throughout this afternoon. That's that system working its way a little further to our north and east, but we're replacing it with another one as we get into tomorrow morning. Latest look at Future Track. A little more hesitant to move some of those showers back in as we get into tomorrow morning by 6 and 7 o'clock. Maybe more the mid to late morning hours that we could be looking at some of that pushing back into mid-Missouri. And then notice what happens here. Some of this starts to flare up or become a little more invigorated as we get into the afternoon. That's the area of low pressure starting to slide a little bit too far to the north here. And that may open up the door to see some stronger storms down around places like Fort Leonard Wood, down around Rolla, where we could be seeing some more organized clusters. I think most of us stay away from that. You just hear some of those garden variety showers and thunderstorms. This is the latest from the Storm Prediction Center. And again, our best bet at seeing severe weather looks like in the state of Missouri down toward the Boot Heel. So hopefully we can keep it down that direction. But there has been a bit of a northern jog with that area of low pressure, at least on some of the data coming in this morning. I think the biggest problem with this for us here in mid-Missouri isn't that severe weather. It's just how much rain we could be picking up, with about 3/4 of an inch to an inch here across the board. And we're starting to run out of places to put that as we get into mid-Missouri. We were tracking some of that rain. We're trying to get it downstream today with some quiet weather, but again, we got some more rain on the way as we get into tomorrow. Got another little hiccup Friday night into Saturday, but doesn't look like it's going to be affecting those weekend plans as we track more sunshine and temperatures back in the upper 60s by Saturday.